Good day, sir. My name is Wart Anwar, BS Criminology, Section 2B. Causes of abnormal behavior. Anxiety, psychological perspective, stress situation that if become extreme, it may result to maladaptive behavior. Fault learning behavior perspective, the failure to learn the necessary adaptive behavior because of wrongful development. This is usually result to delinquent behavior. 3. Block or distorted personal growth. Presumably, human nature tends towards cooperate and construction activities. However, if we show aggression, cruelty, or other maladaptive behavior, the result may be an unfavorable environment. 4. Unsatisfactory interpersonal relationship. Self-concept in early childhood by overcritical parents or by rigid socialization measures usually cause deviant behavior among individuals because they are contented on the kind of social dealing they are facing. Pathological social condition. So, ang anxiety psychological perspective is kuwala siya. So, diri sa anxiety is if masubraan bitaw ka ka-stress, ang usa ka situation para ana sa na tao is murag makabuhat siya og mga behavior nga dili maayo, like makahuna-huna og karon sa ato ang kuan is gamay ra nga kuan wali kuan na din ba musakan din to nga mo trigger na din tong anxiety bitaw nga mabagsak ana mag suicide makahuna-huna bitaw mo commit bitaw suicide mag wild pinakalit murag ana bitaw mga maladaptive behavior. Next is neurotic behavior. What is neurotic behavior? The term neurotic describes a person who has neurosis. A person who has neurotic act and feel anxious. They also commonly feel negative of themselves or having many feelings of self-doubt. If someone is neurotic, they will commonly rehash worst case scenarios on their minds without being able to control. Neurotic person often feels worried or scared in normal situation. Here are examples. They might feel very anxious when they go to shopping or they're at party. There are normal things for the people, but for a neurotic person, it feels like stressful and scary. So, ang sa normal person daw is kaning normal na siya. Wala lang. Pero sa kanang neurotic person daw is kanang maka-feel siya og kanang kahadlok o kanang na-stress bitaw siya. Tapos they are likely experience and express negative emotion and appear anxious or depressed. Self-conscious is also common for people who are neurotic. So ang neurotic behavior is mauna sila ang mga tao nga naay behavior bitaw nga wala na align sa standard norm sa usa ka society. Kanang para sa ila is normal pero para sa ato kay abnormal pareha atong example ni sir nga imbes green light wa ni tabok pagka turn nasa sakyanan sa usap pa ni tabok so neurotic siya. Next is, what is anxiety disorder? Anxiety disorder defined as a term that refers to multiple disorder characterized by fear, anxiety, nervous, and panic that affects a person's quality of life. Symptoms of anxiety disorder. Sleeplessness, anxiety disorder. So, ang sleeplessness is kaning dili ka makarelax bitaw sa pagtulog bitaw, ngana, o social withdrawal. Ang social withdrawal is, so kanang mahadlok bitaw ka i-judge or kanang mahadlok ka maulawan bitaw sa kadaghanan nga na. Specific phobias, specific phobias mahadlok sa mga taas na lugar or kanang taas na building ana, og mahadlok sad og musakay sa eroplano o airplane, og mahadlok sad sa spiders nga lawa. Sweating, trembling, so kanang kuan, kanang sige kag singuton tas sige kag mangurog bitaw ana. Digestive issues, panic. When does an anxiety disorder begin? Ana, anxiety disorder begins when a person becomes unable to cope or go through daily life properly as they experience in exaggerated physical and mental reaction to stress situation. It also occurs when it becomes difficult to control worries and physical or mental reaction that are threatening. For instance, a person with anxiety experiences symptoms of phobia in the presence of object, situation, or even that isn't dangerous to them. Next is asthenic disorder, also known as dependent personality disorder. Asthenic disorder or dependent personal disorder. This disorder is defined in individuals who subordinate their own needs as well as responsibility over major areas of their lives to the control of others. In simple terms, it means that someone doesn't have much energy or motivation to take charge of their own life. Instead, they let people make decision and handle important things for them. So ang asthenic disorder daw kay kani bitawng isa ka tao na walay salig sa iyang kaugalingon, or kanang ang uban tao pa ang magbuhat og desisyon para lang sa iyaha bitaw, kanang walay salig sa iyang skills nga na. Phobic disorder. So ang phobic disorder is fear consequent attempt to avoid a specific object or situation. A person who exhibits phobia fears specific situation tends to prevent it even though he or she realizes that it represents no real danger. Most common types of phobia mo ni sila. Acrophobia, fear of places, thanatophobia, fear of death, zoophobia, fear of animals, nyctophobia, fear of darkness, kani sila. Pharmacophobia, fear of medicine, fear of being touched, fear of blood, fear of water. So mo ni sila. Ang phobic disorder daw is when something cause you to feel fear, kanang nakakahadlok. With example, butang bitaw na to, most common jud na sa phobia is kanang fear of high places, ning acrophobia. Ano sila mo na gini common gyud. Tapos madlok ka sa mga taas na building, kana napoy uban example ko an fear of death. So thanatophobia ano siya, madlok ka mamatay. O fear of animals, mahadlok sa mga hayop, para sa ko nga mahadlok og iro kay hapit man jud ko mapakan og iro na dako kanang kinain bitaw manguro to kay nakagawa sa kulungan. Tapos fear of darkness, kanang mahadlok sa mga ngit-ngit nga lugar, agihanan. Fear of being touched, example is kanang grape, mga kuan kay na sila, sensitive kay na sila, nga mahawiran da kay murag mubalik bitaw sa ilaha bitaw tong na rape sila nga na. Next is somatic disorder. Somatic disorder, a mental disorder characterized by a group of conditions in which the physical pain and symptoms of person feels are related to psychological factors. Predisposing disorder are symptoms that cause our health to risk disorder, like modified risk disorder and non-modified risk disorder. Siya example of modifiable disorder mo ni siya: smoking, high blood pressure, diabetes, abdominal obesity, Tapos example of non-modifiable disorder is age, gender, family history. So ang somatic disorder daw, bakta. Somatic disorder daw is when a person has a significant focus on physical symptoms such as pain, weakness, or shortness of breath. So, ang somatic disorder daw is kanang ga-focus bitaw siya sa physical condition like kanang ga kapus bitaw ka sa muhang paghinga, ano siya. So, symptoms that cause our health to risk disorder like modifier risk disorder and non-modifier risk disorder, mga ni sila. Ni. O napay isa. Gender and family history. Mga ni siya. Gender and family history, these are the main cause of somatic disorder. Disorder that usually happens in women rather than men. So, so kasagaran yun mahitabuan ni is ang sa babae gid ni kaysa sa mga lalaki. Kaya mga babae is suffer a lot of disorder rather than men. Gasugod yun na siya sa pagkabata o pwede po ka nang mudako na ka na, mga adult na ka, ano ba. Example of somatic symptoms disorder mo siya: anxiety, sensory loss, back pain and chest pain, childhood trauma and adulthood trauma. Next, hypochondriasis. Hypochondriasis have an unrealistic fear that they have a serious medical condition or fear that they're at high risk of becoming ill. They may misinterpret typically body functions and sign of illness. Symptoms of hypochondriasis, mga symptoms, thinking a lot about having serious illness, seeing doctor frequently but not accepting reassurance that they are healthy, seeking out lots of medical tests, spending hours on the internet studying symptoms, mga sila. So, ang hypochondriasis is a mental medical condition that they continue to worry about. Example is kanang gahuna-huna ka, what if na ako'y sakit, cancer, ana ba, o kanang nagunahuna ka sa what if ma-paralyze kung kag na paranoid bitaw nga na symptoms. Ang symptoms ani is kanang dili na bitaw nimo makontrol ang imong kahadlok, fear o mga gipang hunahuna nimo ba, ano siya ang hypochondriasis. Next is psychogenic pain. Psychogenic pain disorder. Experiencing pain has been known to exacerbate other symptoms such as stress and anxiety. This phenomenon called psychogenic pain, and it occurs when your pain is related to underlying psychological, emotional, or behavioral factors. Meaning, what causes of psychogenic pain? Some theories suggest that it's due to pain memory condition that cause nervous system but hold on pain long after an injury has healed. Others suggest that this pain may be caused by signals getting confused with the brain. So, there are two types of pain. Morning duha ka types sa pain: acute pain o chronic pain. Ang acute pain is sharp but usually doesn't require treatment. So, ang acute pain daw is dili na daw siya kinahanglan o treatment daw, while ang chronic pain is kinahanglan gyud kay treatment gyud ana. Kay example is kanang sakit imong ulo, isa na ka semana, isa tunga, duha ka semana, hindi na gina kay normal. Tapos kinahanglan ni ka mo consult sa kuang gyud kaning doktor o magpa-check up ka, na sila. How is treated? Treatment depending on the type of pain, physical therapy, medication, and dietary adjustment may be used to reduce or relieve symptoms, treat psychological pain problem together. Therapists and the patient can try to determine the underlying mental cause and take steps to treat it. Sila. Next is conversion disorder. Conversion disorder characterized by the presence of one or more symptoms suggesting the presence of neurological disorder that cannot be explained by any known neurological or medical disorder. Conversion disorder are formally called as hysteria. So ang ang sa una gyud tawag yun sa is hysteria. Mausad ni ang mga disorder, conversion disorder, meaning anxiety is converted into physical symptoms. Previously is also known as hysteria. Mo to siya. Conversion disorder in which a person experiences blindness, paralysis, or other symptoms affecting the nervous system that cannot be explained solely by the physical illness or injury. So, ang conversion disorder daw is a condition in which a person experiences physical and sensory problem such as paralysis, paralysis, numbness, blindness, deafness, or seizures. Symptoms niya is weakness or paralysis. Nato diha atong atong maglisod kag lihok kanang murag na paralysis ka, difficult walking, galisod ka og lakaw, vision problem. So na state na nako diha ang blindness maka problema sa imong mata, hearing problems sa imong talinga o sa imong pangdungog o kanang maglisod og istorya. Muna sila mga symptoms niya. Mausab niya ang symptoms: conversation disorder, weakness or paralysis, abnormal movement, balance problems, vision problems, blindness, hearing problems, number of and loss of sensation, paresthesia, difficulty of inability to speak, difficult swallowing. Muna sila ang symptoms of conversion disorder. Next is dissociative disorder. What is dissociative disorder? Mental health that involves feeling of being detached from reality, being outside of your own body, or experiencing memory loss, amnesia. Dissociative disorder typically develop after a short-term or long-term trauma. Types of dissociative disorder. Dissociative identity disorder, dissociative amnesia, depersonalization, derealization disorder. Tapos sila. So ang dissociative disorder daw is usa ka mental health condition in which cause siya sa sobra ka stress or depression, og naay type ang dissociative disorder mao ang amnesia. Naay brain pathology, amnesia, in which naay memory loss. Tapos ag usa ka tao but pwede siya ma-recall through medication, while psychogenic amnesia is dili na jud it's kanang permanent na gyud natay gitawag nga multiple personality o ginatawag nga dual, in which usa ka tao kay usahay mabata bata o ganang usahay mo pangtiguang bitaw yang una ang dual nang ginatawag og dual or multiple personality, depende sa environment or situation. Din napod ang dispersonalization, in which mawala sa passing ang usa ka tawong mag-imagine bitaw siya murag kanang hallucinate bitaw siya because of stress, depression. So mauna ang dissociative disorder. Next is affective disorder. What is affective disorder? Affective disorder, also known as mood disorder, are described by marked disruption in motion, several lows called depression, or high called hypomania or mania. These are commonly psychiatric disorder, leading to an increase in morbidity and mortality. Symptoms mo niyang symptoms affective disorder: oversleeping, poor appetite, irritability, sadness, anxiety, suicidal ideation, aggression, hopelessness, insomnia, hallucination, trouble concentrating. So mao ni sila. So, causes of affective disorder is life event can trigger affective disorder. A traumatic events or personal loss can cause depression or another affective disorder. Use of alcohol and drugs is also a risk factor. If someone in your family has one of these disorders, you're at a greater risk of developing one as well. This means that their heredity sumurag kaning ano gina sa iyong family mapasa sa imo kung may sakit mama na po yung sakit ko nimo mo na sila. So ang affective disorder is life events can trigger affective disorder like traumatic events sila or personal loss can cause depression or use of alcohol kanang sige kag inom kuang kag drugs also risk factor po na siya. Next is psychopathic behavior. So ang psychopathic behavior is, what is psychopathic behavior? Psychopathic describe a set of personality traits behavior frequently associated with lack of emotional sensitivity and empathy, impulsive, superficial charm, and insensitivity to pushing consequences. Psychopathic example is may show anger if they can intimidate someone, or they might show sadness to manipulate someone but they don't really experience this emotion. So kanya mag-manipulate bitaw sila. Causes of psychopathic behavior mo ni sila genetics, unhealthy household environment, pain, injury ni sila. So ang psychopathic behavior daw is mao ni ang mga behavior sa usa ka tawo nga dili kabalo makiramdam bitaw. Walay kaluoy din kabalo sila mo manipulate, mo gamitan nila charm nga na ba mo kipag-amigo sa imo. Then mga bright food kay ni sila nga mga tao. For example, kabalo sila mo sabay-sabay sila sa usa ka sitwasyon nga na to manipulate a person or maayo kay sila magpakitang tao bitaw. But ang tinod is wala jud sila pakialam kay ang ilaha ra tuyo is makagin sila sa ana nga tao, ilahang kaugalingon ang ginahuna-huna nila. Deny cause ang psychopathic behavior mao ni ang genetics in which naa jud sa lahi or kaliwat ana nga tao nga psychopathic ang ilaha behavior. Another kay unhealthy household environment in which pagkabata pa nila makita nila ginamaltrato sila, usa po na siya. Tapos mag-cause po og bad effect sa anak nga person din hantod na sa pagdako niya o nakita sa iyang environment. Then brain injury can cause psychopathic po. Sila. Then ang kuan pod then mabal-an nato ang usa ka tao nga nay psychopathic behavior if naa siya ani nga symptoms but still need gihapon ng consultation para mabal-an kung psychopathic jud ang isa ka tao. Next is personality disorders. Nay kinds of personality disorder. Pero naon tani, what is personality disorder? Personality disorder are disorder in which one's personality results in personal distress or significantly impair social or working functioning. So, mao ni akong ginaingon. Nasya kinds of personality, nasya 10 kabuok. 1 is antisocial personality disorder, 2 borderline personality disorder, 3 avoidant personality disorder, 4 dependent personality disorder, 5 histrionic personality disorder, 6 narcissistic personality disorder, 7 obsessive compulsive disorder, 8 paranoid personality disorder, 9 socio-personality disorder, 10 schizotypal personality disorder. Ano sila nga ang kuan kaning kinds of personality. So ang personality disorder are a group of mental disorder. They involve long-term pattern. So pang matagalan gid ni siya gyud kuan kaning disorder kaning mga pang matagalan na pattern of though and behavior that are different from what is considered normal in your culture. So ang example po daan is antisocial personality disorder. So ang antisocial personality disorder is people who cannot feel anxious will often fail to anticipate actual danger and risk. They make chance that other people would not accept. Sila nga kinds of personality disorder nga antisocial personality disorder. Next, criminal behavior. Physical and environmental things in this world that affect more direct and stimulated the sense of organ, social environment, and physical influences stemming from outside contact with other people. A. Primarily social, group, home, 2. Neighborhood, etc. Broader social group, school and church. Internal environment, so immediate environment within which the genes exist and functions. A. Heredity, genetic inheritance, inherit na gid sa inyo gingang pamilya. B. Fundamental functioning of self-structure that we make about ourselves. So ang criminal behavior ang cause niya is, example is children raised in bad situation kanang gipanganak nga pobre, walang wala jud kanang na jud sila chance na mo makakommit og crime kay sa kalisod sa kinabuhi nga na murag kapit na lang sila sa patalim bitaw mo buhat na lang sila og krimen para makakaon lang o maka-survive sa kinabuhi ilaha. Next is psychotic behavior. What is psychotic behavior? Are mental health condition characterized by the presence of psychosis as a primary symptoms. This disorder involve a significant impairment in an individual to emotion and perception of reality. Symptoms na siya symptoms of psychotic behavior. Mga ni siya mga symptoms. Hallucination, delusions, disorganized thinking, negative symptoms. O mo po niyang causes of psychotic behavior: genetics, brain chemistry, environmental factors, substance abuse. So mao ni sila. So ang psychotic behavior daw is kanang is isa gyapon siya ka mental health condition ni siya, tapos in which ang primary symptoms niya ay psychosis nga kung ang usa ka tawo is na disorder sa paghunahuna og the way siya magthink sa reality, then ang kalainan sa psychotic is ang psychotic is tao na siya na while ang psychosis is mao na ang symptoms or sakit sa usa ka tao nga naay psychotic. Naay types of psychotic disorder. First, schizophrenia. Mao ni ang mga tao nga mag-imagine na ba mukanang murag mag-hallucinate og mga butang nga dili tinuod or wala siya reality. Next is ang bipolar. Kanang bisag normal ba siya karon pagkataod-taod bitaw kanang mo change mode bitaw dayon siya. Mo sometimes kay tungod sa stress or depression. Next is brief psychotic disorder in which kalit-kalit ra gid ni siya mutukar. And last kay substance induced psychotic disorder, kanang patakarag inom og tambal which nasubraan siya na mauto maong it can cause psychotic kanang napalabian na gid siya tambal makos na din siya og psychotic. Tapos usa day ay ang psychotic behavior. Unsa day ang psychotic behavior? So ang psychotic behavior is mao ni siya ang mga actions or abnormal behavior nga disconnected siya sa reality or mga haka-haka nga mga haka-haka ba nga or mga thoughts or perceptions. Symptoms of psychotic behavior: first is hallucination. Mao ni ang mga tao nga bisag walay kamatuoran kana nga butang is para sa ila is tinuod. Next is delusion nga bisag for example gyud kay sakit pero maghunahuna bitaw nga ay severe na ning ako dala na ni mao na ang delusional. Then there are cause of psychotic behavior. Mao ni ang genetics kung ang iyong lahi is naay kaliwat nga psychotic daan sila. Next is organic mental disorder. What is an organic mental disorder? Organic mental disorder are syndromes also as an organic brain disorder is an impairment in one cognitive or mental functioning of the brain. It is referred for organic as the attribute cause are purely organic such as brain injury, neurological impairment, surgery, and trauma. What cause an organic mental disorder? There is no sole cause of organic mental syndrome. Instead, there exists a variety of reasoning that affects brain cells and result in the degenerative function of the brain. The subsequent factors are the cause of organic mental disorder is what cause of organic mental disorder? Brain injury, bleeding in the brain, bleeding around the brain, blood clot in a region of the skull, concussion, a violent tremble of the head, degenerative condition, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson syndrome, Huntington's disease, cardiac-related condition, o stroke, transient ischemic attack. Tapos, symptoms of organic mental disorder, muna siya mga symptoms. Confusion, agitation, loss of memory and judgment, disablement in one intellectual thoughts, irritability, anxiety, fear, visual problems, impairment in motor movements, impairment of concentration, switch before behavior, loss of logical thinking. So mao ni sila ang symptoms. Ang organic mental disorder daw is kaning refers to decrease in mental functioning that is not the result of a psychiatric condition. Sometimes this term is used interchangeably with organic brain syndrome or chronic organic brain syndrome, but is not generally referred to as a neurocognitive disorder. Siya. Tapos an organic disease is one of in which there are measurable biological changes in tissues and organs that lead symptoms. Example include infection or autoimmune disease and cancer. Muna siya. Next is disorder involving brain tumor. What is a brain tumor? A brain tumor is an abnormal growth or mass of cells in or around your brain. Together, spinal tumors and brain tumors are called central nervous system tumors. Cause of brain tumor: for many people with brain tumor, cause is never known. Sometimes parent pass DNA, so gikan gini sa usahay kasagaran gyud ani is kaning inherited bitaw kanang gikan sa imong parent tingala mapasa sa imo ha. Increase the risk of having a brain tumor. These hereditary brain tumors are rare if you have a family history or brain tumors. Talk about with your healthcare provider. So kung nakasayod na ka nga na history mong kuan ay imong family ani or family history sa inyo hagyod is kaning mag-consult na ka sa kuan gyud kanang ikaw mag-consult sa doktor or kuan gid ka unsa ni kani mangutana ka unsay kay tambagan mo ka nang unsay buhaton. Tapos treatment option of brain tumor mao ni sila: brain surgery, radiation therapy, ratio surgery, brachytherapy, chemotherapy, immunotherapy, targeted therapy. Mao na sila. Next is disorder involving head injury. Disorder involving head injury, a traumatic brain injury, can be caused by a forceful bump, blow, or jolt to the head or body or from an object that pierces the skull and enters the brain. Not all blows or jolts to the head result in TBI. Two broad types of head injury. Na siya'y duha ka type. Penetrating TBI, also known as open TBI, happens when an object pierces in the skull. Bullet, sharpnel, bone fragment, or by a weapon such as a hammer, knife, and enters the brain tissues. Penetrating TBI typically damage only part of the brain. Tapos ang non-penetrating TBI, also known as closed head injury or blunt TBI, it caused by internal force strong enough to move the brain within the skull. Cause includes falls, motor vehicles, crashes, sports injury, blast injury, or being struck by an object. So ang penetrating daw is kanang bitong na bala ana ay naigo sa bala siya kaning sa kutsilyo nga na naka enters the brain tissue. Tapos while the non-penetrating TBI, ang cause niya is kanang nagdula ka yang kanang unsa ba ni kaning example is kanang na disgrasya ka na ang motor na disgrasya, motor ka na disgrasya ka, tapos sports na sa nagdula ka, na injury ka blast injury or being struck by an object siya. Sign and symptoms: headache, convulsion or seizure, blurred or double vision, unequal eye pupil size or dilation, clear fluids draining from the nose or ears, nausea, vomiting. Next is 4 theories of victimology. What is victimology? Is the branch of criminology that studies the victims rather than offenders. It analyzes a victim characteristic role in a criminal justice system, psychological state, and factors that increase their chance of being targeted. So, ang victimology daw is branch that studies the victim rather than the offender. So, ang gina-studyhan gid nila or murag gituunan pa nila pansis is katong victim kaysa sa katong kaysa sa offender. Mga sila. So, ang gina-studyhan nila ni kay kanang o ginatagaan nila attention jud is kaning victim kaysa sa kaning offender. O gina-analyze nila sad kung ga-analyze pag nila nga ang victim daw ngano siya chance na mahimong target sa isa ka criminal o offender. What is victimization? Victimization can be defined as the outcome of an individual or institution intentional action to exploit, oppress, or harm someone else. It also includes destroying or illegally acquiring someone else's property or position. So, ang victimization daw is the act of making someone into victim o by harming or killing them. Ano? Ng victimization. The four theories of victimology, victim precipitation theory, lifestyle theory, deviant place theory, o routine activities theory. Okay sila. So, first is victim precipitation theory. So, ang victim precipitation theory daw is, example is when thief target alone woman. So, nakita sa isa ka holdupper or kawatan nga babae sa isa ka iskinita or kanang kilid sa highway nga nagbaktas. So, dako jud og chance na mahimo o kag victim kay pinakauna is kanang babae ka, tapos ikaduha gabaktas-baktas ka sa kilid sa kalsada, tas og katulo is pila ra may kusog sad sa bae sab, og wala pa joy maglabay-labay sa kalsada, tas nya taas jud og chance na mahimo kag target sa holdupper or kawatan. Muna siya. Lifestyle theory. So, ang lifestyle theory is walking alone at night, nga galakaw-lakaw ka kanang unsay kaning kaning sa gabi na kaayo galakaw-lakaw ka kara isa, tapos nakapuyo pay ka sa isa ka barangay nga taas kayo og rate bitaw sa crime, sa taas kayo og crime rate bitaw, o drinking in excess kanang sobraan nakasigig inom bitaw kanang sa lipong na inom gihapon. Ang mo lagi na. Next is deviant place theory. So, ang deviant place theory is, so ang example ani is kanang gikan ka sa trabaho, tas nakay nabalaan bitaw nga gihanan na dali ra ka makaabot sa inyong balay niya, diha sa imong giagihan or kanang gina shortcut bitaw kay taas kayo og rate sa crime bitaw, diha gyapon ka ni agi, so which taas kag chance na mahimong victim kay biskan kasayod ka na taas og crime rate diha sa imong giagihan na barangay ba, niagi gihapon ka. Sila. Next, routine activities theory. So, ang routine activities theory is kanang the ability of suitable targets including high value items that are relatively easy to obtain. So, kanang murag dali ra kay kanang nakita bitaw siyang balay nga daghang kay mamahalon bitaw nga gamit mga furniture mga ilahang gina-target. Tapos the absence of capable guardians, lack of guardianship such as the police, homeowner, neighbor, friends, and relatives can increase probability of a crime. So, wala kayo ay kaning walay walay ginikana ning lakaw mo ng routine activities theories. So, that's all. Thank you, sir.